Ladies and gentlemen, hustlers of the future, gather round because today on Stock and Hustle, we're diving headfirst into a sea of opportunity, exploring the 10 AI tools that will make you rich in 2023. Forget everything you know about success. These tools are the rocket fuel you've been searching for. Hold on to your hats because this isn't your ordinary list. It's your blueprint to prosperity. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1, Neural Frame. Let's kick things off with Neural Frames, a tool that can transform your ideas into captivating animations. Imagine turning your thoughts into visual stories that resonate with your audience. Think about how much impact a compelling video can have on your business. With Neural Frames, you can easily create engaging videos to promote your products, share your story, and build a connection that translates into profits. Whether it's a captivating explainer video or an attention-grabbing ad, Neural Frames lets you captivate your audience like never before. Number 2, Adobe Firefly. Get ready to enter the realm of limitless creativity with Adobe Firefly. This AI-powered tool isn't just about changing backgrounds or outfits. It's about transforming your brand's image. Think about the potential for your e-commerce business. With Adobe Firefly, you can craft stunning product images that practically leap off the screen. Imagine the impact of showcasing your products in diverse settings, or instantly adapting your visuals to match the latest trends. Your brand will stand out, capture attention, and ultimately boost your sales. Number 3, Vidrapid. Say goodbye to endless hours of video consumption and hello to Vidrapid, your personal video summarizer. How can this make you money, you ask? Think about all the time you'll save. Time is money, after all. Instead of sifting through lengthy videos, you can now quickly extract the essence, gather insights, and use that newfound time to strategize, innovate, and implement. Whether it's staying ahead of trends or crafting targeted marketing campaigns, Vidrapid lets you work smarter, not harder. Number 4, Creator Kit. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, Creator Kit is worth $1 million. Think about the impact of stunning product images on your sales. With Creator Kit, you can transform ordinary photos into extraordinary visual experiences. Consider your e-commerce store. By showcasing your products in their best light, you'll instantly elevate your brand's image. And what does that lead to? Increased consumer trust, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, a healthy boost in your bottom line. Number 5, Replicate. Quality matters, and that's where Replicate steps in. Let's talk about your website's images. High-quality, pixel-perfect visuals instantly communicate professionalism and credibility. With Replicate, you can enhance your image's size and quality, ensuring that your products are displayed in the best light possible. The result? Improved user experience, increased customer trust, and the potential for higher-priced sales. Quality sells, my friends, and Replicate is your ticket to a polished online presence. Number 6, Gravity Right. When it comes to online success, content is king. But here's the twist. Gravity Right is the crown jewel that empowers your content. Imagine creating blog posts, social media content, or YouTube scripts that not only engage but also rank high on search engines. Every piece of optimized content you produce becomes a magnet, attracting organic traffic to your website. And what does traffic mean? More eyeballs, more engagement, and ultimately, more sales opportunities. Number 7, Brand Crowd. Branding is more than just a logo. It's the heartbeat of your business. And that's where Brand Crowd comes into play. Consider this: a captivating logo instantly distinguishes your brand in a crowded market. With Brand Crowd, you can create a logo that resonates with your target audience, communicates your unique value proposition, and becomes the symbol that customers associate with quality. A strong brand identity translates into customer loyalty, trust, and repeat business. The ultimate path to riches. Number 8. Lumen 5. In the world of content, video is king. And here's the secret weapon, Lumen 5, your text-to-video wizard. Think about this. Every blog post you create can become a captivating video. Videos not only engage your audience, but also increase your chances of going viral. With Lumen 5, you can repurpose your existing content, breathe new life into it, and watch as your engagement metrics skyrocket. The more eyes on your content, the more potential customers you attract. And that, my friends, equals more revenue. Number 9. Pritusai. Let's talk social media, your gateway to a massive audience. But wait, here's the twist. Pritus.ai turns you into a social media superstar without the headache. Imagine creating eye-catching posts that stop thumbs from scrolling. With Pritus.ai, crafting attention-grabbing content becomes a breeze. Why does this matter? More engagement on your social media posts translates into increased visibility, brand exposure, and, you guessed it, more potential customers knocking at your door. Number 10. Moobear. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the soul of your content, music. Moobear doesn't just create soundtracks. It creates emotional connections. Think about the impact of having a unique, AI-generated soundtrack for your videos. It sets the mood, evokes emotions, and keeps your viewers engaged. And engaged viewers are more likely to stay, watch, and take action, whether that's subscribing, sharing, or purchasing. Moobear's musical magic elevates your content, making it memorable and, more importantly, profitable. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the future of AI tools that can transform your dreams into dollars. And here's the cherry on top. I've laid out all the links in the description below for you to explore, experiment, and embark on your journey towards financial success. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Stock and Hustle for more life-changing insights, and keep hustling towards your dreams. Now, before you go, we've got a question for you. Which of these tools are you itching to try first? Drop your answer in the comments, join the conversation, and remember, your path to riches begins with innovation. Until next time, keep hustling and keep soaring.